What's up, KTVers? Welcome back to another video. For this episode, toys review will take a back seat to give way to a more important topic, which is necessity in the new normal. And I'm talking about these two stuffs here, the Coppermask 1 and Coppermask version 2. Joining me on this video and heavily guarding those two Coppermask items that we're going to review are two of my most trusted buddies, ferocious Velociracers from Hot Wheels, Street Beasts. Without further ado, let's try to check the box of Coppermask version 1. It says here, face mask helps kill 99% of germs. Okay, let's see at the back. Okay, so it says strong antimicrobial layer, helps kills 99% of germs, superior bacteria exterminator effect, comfortable respiration, okay, complete prevention of saliva droplets, helps prevent dermatitis and allergies, harmless to humans. Okay, so there's the fabric layer, non-woven on the inner part, and then there's the Coppermask film, the antimicrobial layer. Okay, so much for Coppermask 1 box detail. Let's move on to Coppermask version 2.0. Okay, what's in front? As you can see, it's made by Ninja. Then it says best-selling #1 Coppermask brand. It includes 10 filters, okay, good for 30 days, and guaranteed 100% quality. Okay, at the back, it's the same thing as Coppermask 1.0, strong antimicrobial layer, helps kills 99% of germs, superior bacteria exterminator effect, comfortable respiration, complete prevention of saliva droplets, helps prevent dermatitis and allergies, and harmless to humans. Okay, so you see the fabric layer, antimicrobial layer. Okay, let's start with Coppermask 1.0, the first release, and let's see what's inside. Okay, so you remove the items inside. You will see one whole piece of item contains all this. So we need a scissor or a cutter to get the items inside. Okay. Okay, so get the scissor. A better way to open it. You can pull it up. So, okay. So I'm just gonna cut it. So the Coppermask 1.0 is pretty much straightforward only. Okay, you will see okay, film here, and then there's an immediate filter, okay, and there's still extra so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I believe there are about 10 pieces of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can use it for 30 days and you have 10 pieces of filters, means you can use it for at least 3 times before you can replace them. But it can go beyond 1 month if you are not using it daily. You're not going outside daily, you're staying home. Okay, say you're a housewife, you just stay home and just go out when there's errands or just go. Okay, so we keep that, and I think we just need to put the cable so it can connect to your ears. Okay, see how it goes. Two of them. So very simple tie. There's no work instruction. That means they assume we can figure it out ourselves. Okay, so just gonna assume we insert it here. Okay, and then put it on like this, like that. So that's the first tie. Okay, you can adjust to your preference here based on the length of your face going to your ears. So we're gonna do the same thing with the other one, and we'll ask our model shortly to try it on, because my wife said she prepared this one, the version 1, and I will be using the version 2, testing it later. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you see the hole here, so it's like a way for you to breathe properly or better, so that makes it more comfortable. Okay, so we're gonna try it on later. Okay, so much for Coppermask 1. Now we're gonna go to the more exciting one, which is the Coppermask 2.0. Let's see what's inside the box and what have they improved. Got okay, main item, and then there's something inside that's not in Coppermask 1.0. Okay, so this is the instruction. Okay, what it's all about, what is Coppermask, how are the benefits of Coppermask, what's new, and how to style your Coppermask. Okay, you know how to use your original Coppermask, and these are the different styles. So you can do with the classic style, the original. Okay, it's very simple. And army style, you can put the 4 stickers that were provided for more to express yourself. Wildcats. Okay, sorry, army style is putting 3 lines, 3 stickers. Wildcats is putting all of them, all 4 of them, and you can even create your own style. Let's see if I can create my own. Okay, so it's gone. I'm going to open also the package. This is your shorter package. I'm gonna cut them. Got same film. Okay, so we have this copper. See the material, they're a bit different. It's a bit glossier here. Okay, these are more transparent here. See, you can see my finger here. Not much. Okay, then the filter is almost the same as the one in version 1. Okay, I think it's just a bit thicker. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put one here as a sample. Okay, I'm gonna keep the rest, so we'll put it here, and then just gonna put also the we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I just counted it wrongly, but there should be 10 of them. So I'll get one, and I'll keep the others, keep the rest, put it back. And then what's the comes with it? So the styling. So we have the Coppermask black, Coppermask red, Coppermask blue. Oop. Okay, is that? Okay. Coppermask. Oop. Okay, that's our pet dog, Scooby, having a dreaming again. Okay, what's this? Coppermask Antimicrobial film. So, what do you think I can do to decorate it? Okay, so I'll come up with the army. Okay, or wildcats. Okay, so what do you think? Velociraptor, Velociracer. Okay, you like it? Okay. Okay, let's tie it on. Okay, hole here, goes here. Ay, sorry, wrong orientation. Do it again. Like that. Okay, it's supposed to be like this. Okay. One. Okay, there you go. It's like a butterfly. Okay, then you wear it. You wear it already. Okay, so these two stickers are needed so you can connect the middle part. Okay, so it will be tightened here, just like the Coppermask 1.0. It's already built in there, like they did it already for you. Okay, but for Coppermask 2, you need to assemble it yourself. Okay, so let's do it. I have one here, and let's just make sure that it's centered. Okay, so I have one here. Okay, let's see. And I was able to make it center. Okay, taking too long for me to assemble it, so I think better off as a time lapse. Okay, so the first one is here. So now it will seal it. Okay, then we'll have the second one. Okay, connecting the edge here. We need to assemble the edge. this. Okay. Now it will be like this. Okay. Very nice. Very elegant. Very stylish. Okay. Now comes the, what do you call this? The styling part. Which color we choose? Red, green, blue, or black. Okay, follow the instruction. First, fold the copper mask in half. Make sure that it is aligned. Place the two seal stickers at the top and bottom part of the mask. We just did it. Okay, that's not the first thing that I did. Second is then put the two Coppermask black logo on both the upper left and upper right part of the mask. Okay, next place a piece of non-woven fabric filter inside the Coppermask. Okay, and then finally you can put the elastic string on both sides and adjust it depending on your preference. Okay, so since the default one is black, okay, as instructed, let's put the black. Okay, what do you think, guys? Should we put the other colors? Okay guys, so there you go. We managed to try it on now. My wife is wearing the Coppermask 1.0 and I'm wearing the Coppermask 2.0. So what's the difference? Aside from the color and the texture, there's a way to customize it with the other stickers, but I didn't put it on. I decided to do the classic one. And then in terms of comfort, not being biased that because we are promoting and selling this online as part of our business, but it's really comfortable. No wonder many people, including celebrities, prefer this because it's like I've tried a lot of masks and it's really one of the masks the most comfortable, and it's like you're not wearing anything. Okay, how about you? Madam, what can you say? Do you share the same? Do you share the same observation? Okay, so basically, how do we summarize it? It will be like an SFC. It will be safer because it has more what do you call this? Antimicrobial feature. It's fashionable because you're not wearing something like a surgical mask. That's where okay, it's your outfit of the day. Okay, and comfortable. So be like SFC, safer, fashionable, comfortable. Okay, so you can order yours with our Shoplink below. Okay, while stocks does because it's fast selling and hot selling item. Okay, invest in this item, especially this new normal, especially when you always go outside to go for work, because it's really a necessity and it's a value for money. Okay, you have 10 filters that you don't just use one day. You can use it for multiple days, at least 3 times. That makes it a total of 30 days. You can use it not only just 1 month. Okay, so thank you for watching. Okay, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share it. Most importantly, get your own. Okay, get your own and be safe. Okay, bye. E-Bilihan out.